Get rid of sore throat and boost your immune system. All we need are 1 liter of water, ginger, lemon, turmeric powder, and honey. First, we must boil water. Add first the ginger. Fresh ginger helps your body warm off germs. They're especially good at halting growth of bacteria like E. coli and Shigella, and they may also keep viruses like RSV and bay. And then add lemon. Lemon are attributed to its vitamin C content that helps improve the skin quality, encourages weight loss, improves digestion, and acts as a breath freshener. Lemon also helps with the treatment of constipation, dental problems, throat infection, fever, burns, respiratory disorders, and high blood pressure. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. A relative of ginger, this vivid yellow-orange spice is common in Indian, Southern Asian, and Middle Eastern cooking. It's also been used as medicine in places like India. For centuries to treat issues such as breathing problems, lately turmeric has been touted as a superfood that can fight cancer, ease depression, and more. Let it boil more for a few minutes. Drink it warm to get rid of sore throat faster. Can drink it like every day. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey has proven antibacterial properties. The World Health Organization recommends honey as natural cough remedy. The American Academy of Pediatrics also recognizes honey as a treatment for a cough. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Keep safe.